Okay, I'm back and I figured it out. So I did copy my text from here. I Command C to copy, and then I Command V to paste over here. And then I just had to play around with the handles to get it large enough so that I could see it. I can even still play around with it a little bit. There we go. Make that over here. I'm gonna leave room over here to add a little picture. And then I'm gonna play with this font too and give it a color because you really want to make sure that you can read everything very well. Let's check. Oh, that's a little bit hard to read, isn't it? Maybe if we picked a brighter color. There we go. I can read that pretty well. And now I'm going to add an image. So we already have our background and theme. Okay, insert. Here we go. I could have done this all along. Insert. I could have gone text to add text, but I'm going to insert an image. All right, and I'm just going to search for a picture that relates to something I talked about. So I'm going to type in family. And this is going to search a bunch of free images. Actually, okay, so they want us to pay for that feature. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to work around this. I'm going to type in Prezi, PA. And I'm going to find the image of my town. So, you know what? This is a covered bridge at the end of my street. I'm going to right click, save image as, and I'm going to call it family because it's for my family slide. And then I'm going to come back in here. This little button here is for you to upload an image. I'm going to find my family. And look, here is my covered bridge picture because each frame you want to have a picture on it. Let's get that settled down here. You know what else I can do too that might look nice? Give my text a background color. That might make it easier to read, and then pick a better color. Look, that's a lot easier to read, isn't it? Okay, and that looks nice. Now I'm going to go back to my overview. And look, I did change, if I go in here, it says family life, but I need to change this out here to also say family life. And I could, of course, change the fonts again and become really familiar with how to do that. Okay, great. Now I will go on to my next frame, which is school life. So I'm gonna, again, I can call this, school life. I'm gonna call this one hobbies. So you can go ahead and do that right now. And call this one dreams. Then I would go into school life. I'm going to rename it here. You want to change the font on each of these, but I'm just trying to do this quick to show you. Here's my school life. What I had written about school life, I copy it, paste it, and then, I could play around with my fonts and how I plan on having that look. I would add another picture. Let's just take another quick look at our rubric of what we need. So we need a title slide, and you want to make sure that you are meeting all of these requirements. So I have a title slide inserted. It's appropriate for the assignment and names included. So I look at my title slide. Remember, it's the overview, and it says Meet Mrs. Gottschall. It's appropriate for our topic, and it has my name in it. Great. All right, my path. So is the path organized and working properly? Unused items were deleted. I did that as one of my first steps. So yes, I have clear path for where I want to go, and I could travel through there. My appearance. Do I choose good fonts and colors? Do I make it easy to read? My family life frame. Do I answer all the questions? Is my spelling and grammar complete? So just go through here and make sure that you've met all of your requirements, that you put in good time and effort also. Two other things that you could do if you wanted to make it a little bit more fun is you could actually insert sound. You could have music playing on in the background. You can also have, so like you could have a video be playing. You can insert shapes. So say if I didn't really want this circle, I could insert any other shape that I find here. I could also insert icons and symbols. So these are for dark Prezi, little fun, kind of like clip arts that you could insert them in there too. So when you are finished, you need to share this with me. So your final step once you're done everything is to presenter view. All right, if you just go to present, it'll pull it up large and you can see, walk through your presentation, how you're going to do it. And then let's see if we go file, just walking through here. Try to grab us our, oh, here we go. Share, create new link, call it your name again, create link. Here is my unique code for my Prezi presentation. So I'm gonna copy that link. And then in Google Classroom for the assignment, I would turn in the link to my presentation and then you're finished. So this will take you several class periods, but I wanted to walk you through how to do Prezi and show you how to do some of those cool features. So I can't wait to see your presentations. Have so much fun. And if you have any questions, of course, come and see me or feel free to look back on this video. Thanks. Now, if I can just figure out how to turn this thing off.